In this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI software that I'm using right now to make over $150,000 per month flipping empty pieces of land. One platform, it finds the deals, it does the outreach, it manages every lead. And I'm going to break down every single step of how I have it set up, nothing held back. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use it and go from zero to your first $10,000 deal. So let's get into it. Step one is understanding the machine. And the machine is ReplySmart.ai. You've probably heard of it before, but this is what I'm using today. You don't need PropStream anymore. You don't need skip tracing anymore. You don't need Smarter Contact. Everything is done on this one platform. Now, before I show you my setup, you need to understand the business it is running, because this is where the money actually comes from. And again, it is very, very simple. All I do is flip empty pieces of land to home builders that need more land regardless. I am filling an order. Builders in this country are short almost 5 million homes. And the one thing they can never get enough of is land. They cannot build a house without the land. At the same time, you've got millions of people sitting on empty pieces of land that they bought 15, 20 years ago. They forgot about it. They're paying taxes on it every single year and they got it for cheap. They just want out. They just want to cash out and sell the property. Those two people have no way of finding each other, the builder and the seller, and you're the one that connects them. You never buy the land. You never own the land. You never risk a single dollar. You are finding the deal and bringing that deal to the builder, and they will write you a check for $5,000, $10,000, sometimes even $20,000 for the deal. And I've done this over 750 times at this point in time. 750 deals. I have perfected the system. Now, here's the thing. This business used to require all these different softwares, all these different expensive subscriptions, websites, etc. But now on ReplySmart, which has completely changed the game, it has replaced all of it. It is the all-in-one AI platform built specifically for the business. You can build your list of landowners on ReplySmart. You can skip trace them on ReplySmart. You can send out your messages, your text campaigns, and message thousands of people per day. You have a CRM on there also that manages every conversation until the contract is signed. You can track your entire deal pipeline, everything. Now, this right here is my number one money maker, and I haven't revealed it for a long time because it's been doing so well, but today's the day. I'm not using all these other softwares anymore that I previously was talking about. This is all you need. So first thing, obviously you have to sign up for an account. Pretty self-explanatory. When you're here on ReplySmart.ai, I'm pretty sure you just click on pricing. You'll have all these different plans here. Whatever is in your budget is what you should use. Now, I noticed a lot of people are scared to invest or spend money into this business on marketing, but guess what? That is how you close deals. For example, the Deal Finder plan, it seems to be the most popular plan here. For $600 per month, you're sending out 25,000 text messages. So you're telling me if you send out 25,000 text messages, you're actually making an effort and paying attention to these leads, that you're not going to close one deal. And obviously one deal can pay you $5,000 to $10,000. So you invest $600, you have 25,000 messages included, and guess what? All you have to do is get one single deal out of those 25,000 text messages. It should be way more than one deal, okay? That is number one. Also, I believe my code is officially active on ReplySmart. If you use my name, just type in code Alex when you go to pay. I believe it is 15% off. So code Alex, 15% off. For your first month. I worked that out with them. So once you go ahead and you create your account, let me walk you through the platform itself and how you're going to get started, because this is crazy. I'm excited to share it. I've been using this platform for a few months now. I haven't done a video on it, but this is what is running the show right now and completely changing the land flipping game. So here, once your ReplySmart account is approved, I signed up a while back. I think it should take around a day or two for your account to be ready to go. You have to have your LLC and everything set up and go through the approval process. Now, once you have some markets ready to go, right? You've done some market research. These are all things I can help you with, by the way, but you've done market research. You have these areas that you're ready to attack. You can, on ReplySmart, you can pull a list using the lead finder feature right here, which is amazing. It is top quality data. It's connected to one of the main platforms for pulling list data. Now, the thing is, you don't need a subscription on that other platform. If you've been flipping land, you should recognize this screen right here, and you know right away what platform this is coming from. It is the best of the best data. So you can pull all your lists here directly on ReplySmart, literally everything. Top quality data. You don't need an additional subscription. It is on ReplySmart. You can also skip trace here. Okay, so you'll have skip tracing on your ReplySmart account. And also it is top quality skip tracing. So when you're going through, you don't need to go pull a list on PropStream and then skip trace it on Kind Skip Tracing. You do everything right here on the platform because guess what? You have the best quality list pulling data, you have the best quality skip tracing, and you're getting it for cheaper because it is included with your subscription. You also have your CRM where you can track all your leads. And again, this right here, guys, is a demo account. I can't show my real account. Otherwise, you guys would see all my secret markets, you know what I mean? So everything is on ReplySmart. It'll show everything that you need. It is insane. It'll show your top texting templates that have the best delivery rate, reply rate, etc. So with this platform, you're tying everything together, okay? So obviously, your main priority is market research, finding the best areas, having builders to sell those deals to, etc. But ReplySmart fills the gap. So you're able to pull a list, okay? You're able to skip trace, get all the owner's contact information, and then from there, with the click of a button, you can text thousands of people at a time, right? We're not cold calling, we are texting thousands of people with the click of a button asking if they have an interest in selling their property. And then here under your messages, you will be able to work through all of your leads, right? So you can click on all these leads right here. You can see all the contact information, your call log, you can leave notes, you can call them directly. So this is where I'm running my entire operation right now. I know it used to be different, and that's why I'm doing an updated video, right? So ReplySmart, it's great. It's what I've switched over to. It's what I'm doing everything with. So once you have your markets ready to go, once you have your builders ready to go, this is what you need to be doing. If you're not spending money on marketing, you're not taking the business serious. This is extremely cheap. There is no other business out there where you're able to spend $500 a month and generate thousands of leads. You know, the average lead for a business is $10 when you're running ads, right? For any other business, $10. So if you're generating 25,000 leads a month on here, right? 25,000 a month. If you were doing $10 per lead, that would be $250,000, right? To generate 25,000 leads at $10 per lead. On ReplySmart, you are able to generate and send out 25,000 text messages on a monthly basis for $600. So you're not running ads, you're not investing thousands of dollars into marketing, you're not cold calling, you're not sending mail, you don't have a subscription like PropStream for pulling lists, right? And I love PropStream. I love all these platforms, as a matter of fact. Remember, this is the entire engine. All you're doing is you're creating campaigns on ReplySmart. You pull a list. Let's say you wanted to do Miami, Florida. You pull a list for Miami, Florida. I'll help you out with the exact filters. You skip trace that list, you get all their contact information, you upload it to your contacts right here, you send out campaigns, and you're just messaging people with the click of a button using AI saying, hey, any plans for your property in Miami, Florida? So you'll have all these people responding back to you saying, yeah, you know, I'm interested in getting rid of this property that I've owned for the last 10, 15, 20 years. I paid nothing for it back in the day. So sure, you know what? As a matter of fact, your text message, it made me want to sell today. So that's what you're doing, right? Now, once you put the entire system together, market research, right? Working with builders, texting on ReplySmart properly, right? There's ways to do it. I have secret ways I'm doing it on my accounts as far as my structure, my systems, my processes, how I'm texting these areas, how often, how many markets I have, everything like that. So if you want to get into land flipping, this is the way to go, right? Once you have a system and a process to follow with ReplySmart, you are going to close deals. So what I'll do is I'll put a link down below in the description where you can book a strategy call with my team. It's complimentary to book, don't worry. On that call, we'll go through everything. So you can discuss with us where you're at right now in the process with your land flipping journey, whether you're a beginner, whether you're doing 5 to 10 deals per month and you want to scale. I'll be able to help you out. So I'll put a link below so that we can keep it organized. You can book a call directly. It'll be a full 1 hour strategy call. We typically charge $800 an hour for these strategy calls. I'll waive that fee because I want everyone to have an opportunity to come in and run things on this platform, right? This is brand new, this is amazing, and I think everyone needs to know how to do it and how to use it. So go ahead and book a call. I'll put that link in the description. So long story short, this is just a quick introduction of how I've updated my business today, because again, a lot has changed with these different softwares that are coming out. I'm gonna do another video for you guys where I do walk you through the process of actually sending campaigns, pulling a list, skip tracing, everything like that on ReplySmart. So stay tuned for that. And also in the comments, let me know if there's anything else you want to see directly on the platform when it comes to how to use ReplySmart, because it has a lot of cool features. And I'm being told there's more features coming that include, you know, AI messaging to help you guys out with your responses, a ton of really cool stuff, as a matter of fact. So I'll keep updating some videos on this. I know all my past videos are a completely different system, and that's why I want you to be up to speed with what's working in 2026, what is actually the best way to close deals, because this is the best way. It's not you know, negotiable. I know for a fact. I've been killing it lately. I'm closing more deals than ever, easier than ever, and it's for a reason. So that is it. That is the one machine, the one platform. It pulls your list, it skip traces the numbers, it sends the messages, it manages every lead, and it walks the deal to the closing table. My top students are all running the same exact setup. Carter, Jake, young guys, zero experience. You know, they have about $40,000 set to close this month following the same exact system. My student Michael, who made over $100,000 in the month of July, which is crazy. And look, this is a volume game. You need to be sending out campaigns every single day, doing your follow-ups every single week. That is the entire difference between people making over $100,000 a month and then the people that just sit there and watch videos about it. So here's your move. The link to start and get set up on ReplySmart, it is in the description. That is the sign up and the approval step that I showed you in the beginning. And again, my code Alex will be down there for 15% off your first month. And if you want me and my team to help build this with you, your markets, your buyers, your contracts, all of it, the link to book that call is right under it. We'll talk about where you're at. We'll talk about where you want to be. And if you got value from this video, go ahead, smash that like button, comment your biggest takeaway, what you want to see next, and subscribe. I'm back, guys. I'll be dropping videos like this every single week. I'll see you on the next one. Let's get to work.